Hello, and welcome back to the EDC Squirrel. Now, if you're like me, you love a USA made knife. And if you're also like me, you really have a hard time affording a USA made knife. Um, now, fortunately, while I was doing some shopping online, I was looking to pick up a new Kershaw Bel Air, which I did pick up. Beautiful blue. Love these knives, especially in Magna Cut. Beautiful, beautiful knife. But as I was shopping for this knife, I came across another one that perked my interest. And after doing some digging, found out that it was USA made. And I was really surprised at the cost. So, what we have here is the Bear Ops Nekama. Now, this one has a 3.42-inch blade, 14C28N steel, in a modified Tonto. This comes in a nice little cloth carrying bag, however you want to put it. And gray aluminum handles with pretty blue accents, and is a crossbar lock. The pocket clip is reversible. You've got thumb studs for deployment, or you can use the crossbar lock to deploy the blade. And what else do we have in here before I forget? Looks like we've got a thank you for your recent purchase. Review your warranty links. Right there. We'll put that here for now. But like I said before, this is the Bear Ops Nekama 3.42-inch 14C28N satin modified Tonto in gray aluminum handles with blue accents. Gorgeous, gorgeous knife. And I haven't even deployed it yet. You can see there it's marked 14C28N. Probably my favorite steel for a budget knife. And it's weird to say budget knife with an American-made knife. Now, this is a modified Tonto blade, which not normally is my favorite profile because they tend to be a little bit more difficult to sharpen when you need to resharpen. However, it looks beautiful. Now, I keep mentioning cost, and I haven't even mentioned the cost yet, but this, an American-made knife for under $60, which blew my mind. Now, I did check with Bear Ops, and they are located in Jacksonville, Alabama. Their knives are USA made, and it's still crazy to me that this knife is under $60. Now, I don't have an affiliate link for this one because this one is not available on Amazon. However, I will put a link down as to where you can get it. I got mine at Knife Center, and really, really impressive knife. Perfectly centered blade in the folded position. You've got beautiful blue accents on this gray aluminum handle. The crossbar feels nice and solid. No play in that blade whatsoever, either up and down or side by side. Got a little graphic for the Bear Ops on one side, and on the other side, you have the 14C28N and model type. Blue accented liner. Again, it's an ambidextrous pocket clip, so you can move that to the other side if you're a lefty, which is great considering you have the crossbar lock and the thumb studs. Beautiful, beautiful knife for under $60, USA made. I did not know you can get a USA made knife for that low. I'm sure there are others out there that I just haven't found yet. This just surprised me because every USA made knife I've seen so far has been relatively expensive, with the lowest one that I was aware of up until now being the Kershaw Bel Air. Now, granted, the Bel Air has, in my opinion, a much better steel, the Magna Cut, but this 14C28N, again, still my favorite steel for a budget knife for under $100. Awesome, awesome knife for only less than 60 bucks. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Like I said before, I'll have a link below as to where you can get this knife. Now, if you liked what you saw, please drop a like down below. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.